Hey folks, a very mild evening across the valley. Temperatures in the 70s valley-wide right now. Consider where we were a week ago at this time when it was closer to 40, so what a change over a week's time. 73 Rio Grande City, same thing Edinburgh, McAllen, 72 to 74 in the lower valley and 71 at the beach. Overnight tonight, temperatures don't go much of anywhere, maybe down a degree or two, but that's about it. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and by afternoon, here's lunchtime, the end of lunchtime, low 80s, 76 at the beach. And by the end of the day tomorrow, you get to 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6, 7, you're looking at mid-70s across the area again. So tomorrow looks a lot like today, temperature-wise. If you like today, tomorrow's going to be perfect. Probably a little less wind, but still a pretty breezy day across the region. Go to Friday morning, we start again right around 70. By lunchtime, we're into the mid-80s, perhaps a little bit warmer on Friday. Even less wind, 77 at the beach by lunchtime. 3 o'clock in the afternoon, the western part of the valley pushing 90, topping out in the upper 80s. The beach staying in the 70s, and by 6 o'clock, low 80s. Depends on where you are. A few places in the 70s. Football games Friday night, for the most part, in the 70s across the area. By early in the morning Saturday, though, things change. A front comes in, and look at these numbers at 7 o'clock Saturday morning. Upper 50s and low 60s, so about 10 degrees cooler than the next couple of mornings. That front Friday night will make a difference, but Saturday afternoon, we're right back in the 70s again. So yes, cooler, but not dramatically so. So go 84, 86, then only 76 on Saturday, 79 Sunday, back in the 80s Monday, Tuesday, then another front Tuesday night cools us back into the mid-70s for Wednesday. So yes, a couple of fronts in the next 7 days, but they don't amount to as much as last week's, certainly. Here's a look at future track. It says tonight stays pretty quiet. Patchy clouds, that's about it. 8 o'clock in the morning, just patchy clouds around. As the day goes on, partly sunny skies and windy. Into the evening hours, we see this model. You notice it showed just a kind of quick blip of green up there in the western part of the valley. The model's starting to suggest we could see a couple of showers sneak by the northwestern part of the valley tomorrow night. We'll keep an eye on that. For the most part, we're dry, but don't be surprised out north and west if a brief shower shows up. Rest of the day, Friday is dry, partly sunny skies. When we go into Saturday, front comes through late night Friday night. Behind that, dry air builds in. Looks pretty nice for Saturday, and Sunday looks pretty good as well. Rain chances for tomorrow night. Again, a very slight chance in the west. Friday night with the front, a stray shower is possible, and then the next front Tuesday night, slight chance for a shower as well. Rest of Texas tonight looks like this. 73 in Austin, 69 in Dallas. Obviously, no fronts pushing through right now. We have to wait until Friday night for the next front to move in, and it, again, doesn't look all that strong. So for tonight, partly cloudy, breezy, and mild. A lot of the valley not getting below 70, 71. South to southeast winds 10 to 20. Wind picks up again tomorrow, not quite as strong as today, 15 to 25. Breezy, yes, gusts to about 30. Today the gusts were closer to 40. Here's a look at your First Warn 5 AccuWeather with the forecast for the next 7 days. We keep it in the 80s Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday in the 70s. Nighttime lows closer to 60. Then next week we're back in the 80s again. Another front Tuesday night cools it off just a little bit for Wednesday. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather with the forecast. We'll be back right after the break.